Hi and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today is a nice, simple, flowy, easy face yoga class for you to use when you're pre-menstrual. So when you've got PMS, PMT, with those days or maybe week leading up to your period or even during your period. And this is all designed to be done in bed. So get yourself cozy. If you want to put a blanket over you, if you want to get a warm herbal tea, you can, or even on your sofa. Just make sure you're really warm and you're nurturing yourself. So wherever you're sat, just try and lengthen up through your spine, relax your shoulders, and we're going to start just getting the energy moving a little bit. So we're going to do some gentle tapping all around the chest area. Often when we've got PMS, we tend to find that we feel a bit sluggish. We're going to do this down the arms now, and then up the inside of the arms. Sometimes we find that we've got a lot of emotion going around the body. We've got a lot of sort of stuck feelings, stuck energy. So this really just helps to just get things moving. You can just gently use sort of a hacking action underneath your arms and the other armpit there as well, and just give your arms a little shake as well. Get that energy moving. Depending on how you're sat, you can use a loose fist here and just very gently, really gently, just tapping around the stomach area. You can just go one way and then gently the other way, and then just tapping on your legs a little bit as well, in any way you like there. Just get that energy shifting, that energy moving. And then just bring your hands down to center and just take a lovely long deep breath in through the nose, and then a deep breath out through the nose. Then taking that again, inhaling and exhaling. Make that exhalation a little bit longer. So let's just start off releasing any feelings of anger or frustration or stress that we may be feeling whilst we've got PMS or whilst we're on our period. So there's a great pose which I love called the lion pose, which really helps to dissipate some of that stress and tension. So we're going to inhale, just tense the face a little bit, tense your hands, and then as you exhale, you're going to stick out your tongue, open your eyes, open your hands. Good, let's do that again together. We're going to do 3 more. One last time, really let go of that stress. Good. And just bring your hands gently back down. Then you're just going to take your thumb. In yoga, in Ayurveda, we say that the thumb holds a lot of pranic energy, so a lot of that subtle energy, that life force, and we're going to take it onto our third eye point, just between the eyebrows, and we're going to do a little flicking action here, nice and gently, just working on that area, stimulating that third eye and stimulating that acupressure point, which is very renowned for helping to release stress, release tension, release feelings of frustration, anger. We're just working on that now. Use your breath again. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose. Bring your hand gently down now, and then I want you to just rub your hands together. Build up that warmth and that energy in the hands. Then lightly place the hands over the top of the head. Really cup the head. Close the eyes down again, and just feel your nurturing touch here, just coming from the hands into your crown chakra. And imagine it moving all the way through the chakras or the energy centers in the body. So all the way down that central line, right down to your tailbone. And if you're feeling any feelings of sadness here, any feelings of maybe upset, maybe you're crying more than usual after you've got PMS, just visualize a white healing light now going down all through your center, just helping to balance and calm your emotions a little. And then gently bring your hands back down. Okay, so just going to take all the fingers now. We're just going to tap gently over the neck area, the jaw, over the cheeks, under the eyes, all the way over the forehead. We're just going to wake up the skin a little bit before we do the next few exercises. So bring the hands gently down. Now often when we get PMS or on our period, we can find that we have tension headaches, maybe get very prone to migraines at this time of the month. So I want you to take your 2 fingers now and come to your temple area and just massage. Gently massaging. Just feel really grounded as you do this. Either just really focus on the temples, or you can even visualize a red light right at the base of your spine, really grounding you there. And then just circle the other way. Keep focusing on the breath. The breath is the most powerful thing that we can do whilst we've got PMS in those days leading up to our period. And by the way, that's exactly where I am at the moment in my cycle as well. So that's why I wanted to share this with you today. So making sure you're going the other direction. Breathing, relaxing. Good, and then 2 fingers and thumb, just gently pinch both the eyebrows there, gently pinching in that inner corner. Focus on your breath. This is very good again if you get tension headaches, if you feel stress building up, and try and bring your thumbs into that little indentation just at the top of the eye socket, just under the eyebrow there, stimulating that acupressure point, which really helps us if we've got feelings of anxiety. One more breath here. Good, and just gently bring the hands down, and then we're going to release the neck to one side and tilt the chin gently upwards, the length of through the side of the neck and through the shoulders. When we've got PMS, we can often feel a lot of our emotions building up in our jaw area, our neck area and our shoulder area. So this gentle stretch is really, really lovely for just opening everything out. And we're just going to add a little natural facelift while we're at it. Even though we're focused a little bit more on the well-being today, we may as well lift our faces. So we're going to bring the tongue up towards the direction of the nose. Hold here for a count of 10 now. Wonderful. Let's move to the other side. Get your stretch there. Open your shoulders. Feel that tension releasing in the shoulders, through the neck, through the jaw area. And then we're going to bring the tongue in the direction of the nose, and we're going to do a count of 10. Just gently come back to your starting position. Okay, so then finally we're going to take 2 fingers and thumb. We're just going to gently pinch up our jawline, releasing any tension there. Then we're going to pinch up the cheekbones, releasing tension, but also brightening the skin. When our skin looks brighter, we feel better as well. Pinching all the way along the eyebrow area now as well. And finally do your tapping over your neck, your jaw, all the way over your cheeks, under your mouth, above your mouth, under your eyes, and all the way over the forehead. And rub your hands together, build up that warmth and energy in the hands, cup the hands over the face. Take a deep breath in, a deep breath out, and then just bring your hands whilst your eyes are closed down onto your stomach now. So if you have got any period pains, any cramps in this area, just visualize that energy you built up when you rub the hands, that warming energy. Even visualize a white light. Feel it surrounding your stomach and your lower back area, healing and relaxing you. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Well done. I hope that's made you feel a little bit better. If you'd like more information on face yoga, so if you're interested in becoming a certified face yoga teacher, if you're interested in either of my books, I have got lots of apps, DVDs, skincare, etc. It's all on my website, faceyogaexpert.com. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.